Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read essay My Best Teacher. Let's get started. Mr. Arif is my best teacher. He is MA. He is neat and clean. He is well dressed. He is our class in charge. He teaches us English and Islamiyat. He loves all the students. He is very kind to me. He never shows us exhaustion. He helps the poor and the needy. He is the right-hand man of the headmaster. He is very regular in his classes. He is very punctual. He is very dutiful. He is a good player. I am proud of him. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.